A, K to the E to the K. Nah, nah, nah. K.
But see me see every time I want to do. Tell me in the time when you gotta go.
Yeah.
She wants to wind her. See my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order. She wants to wind her. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She on me heaven.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
She wants to wonder, one get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
See my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order. She wants to wind her. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome. Go ahead and do me a huge favor and subscribe down below if you like what you see. Alright guys, so today I am here with the Natasha Wig. I ordered this off of ToniDaily.com, as you can see from the title. This is in the color 1B, and I took advantage of the BOGO sale that she had last week. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of this. So I got this Natasha Wig for full price, and then I got this satin bonnet for half off. It's usually $17, so I got it for $8 and some change. So this is what it looks like. Really cute. Like, y'all, ain't this design cute though? This design is so cute. And then this is what the inside looks like. So I will be wearing this for my crochet braids or any other hairstyle I have. So that's that. And of course, whenever you order a wig from ToniDaily.com, a free hair wrap. So this is my hair wrap. This is so cute. This screams spring and summer to me. Like, I love this. And so you get 3 free gifts when you order a wig. You get the head wrap, you get wig caps, and then you get earrings. These are super cute. All right, so the Natasha Wig, this is the Natasha Wig, and this is, it comes with a little bit of the closure right here, and it came with baby hairs as well. I never know what to do with baby hairs, so I cut them off because I was trying to, you know, like, for my evidence, I was trying to, you know, like, swoop them and lay them, and I got frustrated. I'm like, forget it, I'm just gonna cut them off. So I just gotta practice when it comes to that. Okay guys, so I have been literally ordering wigs from ToniDaily.com and earrings. Well, earrings 2013, but wigs 2014. I've been ordering for 4 years, but I'm never disappointed. Y'all, look at this wig, it's cute. Now I kind of cut a little bit in the front because I was trying to go for a layered look, and I also fluffed it out. Now there are 2 colors available, the color 1B, which I have right now, and I think the other color is 1B and 27. Don't quote me wrong, but if I can't remember correctly, I'm just gonna post it right below for y'all, the color. But yeah, y'all, I fluffed it out. It's super soft, and if you've been following me for a while, you know I smell every single thing that I buy or anything that's sent to me, and it's always smelling good. But yeah, y'all, what y'all think? I love it. It's cute, it's curly. I love the curls. Y'all need to go follow Toni Daily on Instagram or on YouTube, so when she has a sale, you can take advantage of it, because you missed out if you missed this BOGO sale. So this will be my hairstyle for the next few days. Okay guys, so all the information on how to purchase this wig will be down below. The curls are super soft. Now I fluffed it out to right here, but I'm not gonna touch it anymore because I don't want to disrupt the curls too much that I already have. But yeah, this is super cute. Look at the curl pattern. And you can, of course, you can wear it. This is the middle part. I'm trying to show y'all what the side part look like. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I like the side part better. Hello. Okay, so this is the side part right here. But yes, you guys. Yes, my friend. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Questions, comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.